The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Brevard County in east central Florida until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from Titusville to near Camp Holly Fish Camp, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palm Bay, Melbourne, Titusville, Rockledge, and Cocoa. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.